What was that sound? Corgi, did you check the instrumentation? There must be something wrong.
Yeah, it's too cold here.
Oh, really?
I knew it wasn't a good idea to visit the North Cape.
Want to know how the best way to stay warm is?
Change our route and head towards the tropical islands?
What? No, by exercising.
1, 2, 3, hop. 1, 2, 3.
Shit. What an awkward exercise.
Feathers up! Feathers up!
We can't go on exercising. We all got a terrible cold.
I don't know about you, but I need some sleep. We got to quit the lesson.
Now that I've just got the rhythm, Matt, already awake?
Very unusual. I don't feel like sleeping even if it's daytime. I'm afraid it's because of the weather.
You've noticed it too, huh? Well. I'm freezing, the ducks have a terrible cold, and Nat can't sleep, all because of this place.
The ducks have a cold because they went out to make a snow duck and throw snowballs this morning, and Nat does not suffer from insomnia.
Oh, no? Well, I feel better then.
It's normal for you to be awake. It's nighttime.
But the sun's shining.
Did you ever hear of the midnight sun?
Well, yeah, of course.
At this latitude, there are 6 straight months of light followed by 6 months of darkness. We're near the North Pole. What a wonderful place.
Wonderful? Aside from the midnight sun shining, what is so wonderful about it?
Oh! Yahoo!
First, I'm the winner! Boy?
No, I'm the winner!
See? Someone else likes the North Cape, too.
Yahoo! I win! Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Watch out, Ronnie.
Don't worry, Ross.
Watch out, boy!
Don't worry. What a fall.
I better go check on it.
Sorry, my friend didn't mean to.
Yes, I did. I wanted to go real fast and win.
Where did you pop out from? Who are you?
And more importantly, when are you leaving?
We're Humphrey and Floyd of the Bird Squad.
Everything okay down there?
Sorry, we were just playing. Yeah, in our territory.
Sorry for disturbing you. I'm Corky, and this is Nat.
How do you do? Well, I'm Ross, and he's Ronnie.
Reindeer, right?
Of course. And what are you?
I'm a crow, and my little friend Nat is a little bat.
A flying mammal.
Ross, don't the humans believe crows bring bad luck?
And bats, too.
Yeah, the humans do invent all sorts of ridiculous stories, like Santa's flying reindeer.
Santa's reindeer are not a human invention.
Oh, come on. No one has ever seen Santa's reindeer, and no one has ever seen Santa Claus either.
So you think a reindeer can't fly only for that reason?
Absolutely.
Reindeer can do anything. If they wanted to fly, they would.
How silly. I didn't know you were so naive.
Naive? Me?
Don't you raise your voice.
On guard!
Hey, you're going to hurt yourself.
Don't worry, it's a reindeer tradition to butt with antlers.
It's our way of talking things out.
Well, In that case, we'd better leave them to their own traditions, huh?
Back to the airship?
Yes. I feel sleepy.
Well, it is midnight after all. You know what? I think I like Norway.
See, it took you just a day to get used to it. Cold weather is so much healthier.
Tell that to the ducks, Penny. Hey, isn't that Ross and Ronnie there?
I want to fly. It has nothing to do with I can fly. Do you get it?
Ross, Ronnie, what are you doing? Another fight?
No. Still yesterday's one.
What was that?
I have no idea.
Move away!
Okay, time out. Move out of the way.
I think it's better if you do.
Oh, we're stuck. Oh,
What shall we do then?
The rock is going to break!
Reindeer, move away!
move backwards.
Better forward.
Okay, let's go to the left then, slowly.
The tangled antlers are blocking their movements. They're sliding on the ice.
We've got to do something. I'll go with you.
All right then, feathers up.
That was a soft landing.
Bird Squad, could you give us a hand, Wing?
I'll try.
Let me try.
No, stop! You're too heavy!
That's not true. I didn't even have a snack.
Floyd, come back immediately. It's dangerous.
Don't worry, I can fly.
The reindeer can't!
They can't? Hey, can you guys fly or not?
I'm the ice expert. Let me go and push them delicately.
I don't think that's a good idea. Better not make that rock any heavier.
Are you trying to say I'm fat?
There's no time for a flight lesson now. Please help us. We don't want to break our crowns.
Break our crowns. Break our heads. The humans have puzzles which you really need to break your head to solve. Logic and attention. We will need both to untangle the reindeer antlers. Of course! Willie! Let's review. It's a quarter turn to the left, then a 13-degree inclination upwards, slide 27 inches backwards, 1/8 of a pirouette, and a slight pike. Okay? We're ready. Ross, Ronnie, if you would be so kind as to follow my instructions exactly. Ross, quick, make 1/4 of a turn to the right with your neck. Good. Ronnie, incline your head 13 degrees upwards. Now, Ross, bend your hind legs. Perfect. Okay, stop. Ronnie, rotate 20 degrees. Okay, stop. Now, both of you bend your back and step back. Voila! Excellent job, Willie! Great job!
Quick, run away!
Thank you, birds. You saved us.
From now on, mi casa es tu casa.
Likewise. Want to go for a ride on an airship?
We'd love to, but, you know reindeer don't fly.
Except for Santa's reindeers.
Here we go again.
Do you mean I'm boring? Well, it appears they're not going to stop anytime soon.
Stop it. Flying is for the birds, okay? Sorry, Penny.
Our ducks are really quite stubborn for being birds.
Speaking of the ducks, how's that terrible cold of theirs?
Much better. They went for a flight by the fjords.
Well, the important thing is that they don't catch another cold.
It's important to always brush your beak.